See, look at it. Open it right here. There, now it's open.
Me va a traer el cambio. Estoy esperando.
Put it on YouTube, Walter. No, don't put it on. Everybody can see it. You always put private? What about, did you talk to David? What did he say? Oh, you changed it? But he made it private.
Oh, how nice. How's that?
I'm going to stay behind you. I don't want to be on the video.
Okay. You know, now also in Facebook, if you have to review.
Okay, maybe we should take the toys up so we don't start running all over them. What do you think?
Good idea.
Put the toys away.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do it. Let's see if you can do it with your...
Your gloves on. That'd be kind of funny.
So who was the gloves for?
Little did we know. Actually, I should have known because when we were young, we got 2 pairs of boxing gloves, and we used to.
No, we got one pair.
One pair, right? And you used to beat me up with it.
Didn't we put a boxing thing up?
Hey. Hey, That's not alright. That's not okay.
That's not okay.
I saw that.
Now you don't get your gloves if you're going to be hitting your sister like that.
Silly girl. Here,
You need to maybe go sit down.
Wait, before you put that up.
If you can't calm down.
What's your address for your house?
I need my box glove.
You guys, you
Hey,
share, okay?
Matty, you have to watch where you're walking, buddy.
Lapis?
Give me my box.
You like that? Does it fit her?
Thank you very much.
Hey, that's for your family.
Yeah.
That's for all your family. You guys can play.
Everybody can play.
We'll have some fun doing that.
Mateo, cute.
What?
I want to see
American
everything you
Idol.
got.
Yeah.
Is that fit her?
Yes, you're going first.
Size 6?
We don't
Look
actually
at
have
Matty.
anything.
Right?
Oh,
That's
man.
Oh, that's cool, Matty. What do you think? You're all set? You can't wait to open it up, huh?
That's all you got.
And
Wow.
this is for
And this is for Eric
Your
and
mom.
Yeah, here, Mom.
Let me see.
Oh, God. Hey, what's this? Monty.
Oh, Matty, you guys want... And,
Grandma.
look at that! Cool, there's something in that stuff there.
Wow.
Mom,
What do you think, man?
Overnight bag.
What is this?
Wow.
Oh, my God. That's for Grandma.
Whoa.
Let's see, Marty, that's for Hawaii.
Oh my God. Look at that. Thank you. Look at you. What's
Wow.
Danny.
Horses.
Yeah, see, that's from
This
us.
is from
From our family, Franco.
Daddy, did you buy
Christianity.
Daddy!
Oh my
Look what
God.
I
Where'd you
got!
get in there?
It's just like he wanted.
That's
He
yours.
wanted
That's yours.
toy cars, just trucks, and helicopters.
Yaka said you're going to like that.
Did you see the little horses inside?
Wow. What is it?
Yeah.
That,
It's cool!
do you have one?
Alright. So did you say thank you, Tom?
And then it's some,
You want to eat funky?
he's in somebody.
Thank you, Unky.
That's
Oh,
for
yeah.
my mom.
You like those?
Yeah.
Oh!
Oh wow.
Oh,
We.
Monty.
You go with your basketball shoes, Matty.
Nice.
Oh, look at that.
It's a basket.
Those are fun.
Does that fit you?
Is this for me?
Art, this is for you and Yaka from someone.
Let's see that on you, Jess. On you, the right.
That's for you. I think it's for you.
What is it?
That is cool.
Is that right?
Jazzy.
Okay.
What
That
is it?
is.
Nice.
Daffy, what is it?
Open it up.
Open it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoa! New whoa!
What is
Okay.
that?
Whoa! Oh my God! Hip hop, Mom. This is for my mom and my
Cool. What do you say, Paolo?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
We could say,
Oh, cocktail.
like, what are these called? They're tumblers. Yeah, they're great.
What are they?
If you just put
Cakes?
oh, it's so
Cake?
beautiful.
See, all cakes, ground
Lots
put
of
out.
cookies. Lots and lots of cookies.
Sally, Chag Sameach.
Yeah?
Thank you. Say thank you. Chag Sameach to you too.
Yeah, it's a menorah. Actually, it's not
I
a menorah.
say Happy Hanukkah. Or you say anything that comes to your head.
You probably have
Sometimes you don't say anything at all.
is what they have
Or sometimes
in
you
the
just
temple
freeze.
that only has
That's okay too.
seven things, like 3 here, 3 here, in the middle. That was the one that they had in the temple.